2020 is a big year. It's the dawn of a new decade, a decade full of promises and possibilities for our industry. We know you want technology customized to you. That puts you at the center rather than the technology. To show you, I want to invite a special guest to the stage. Say hello to Ballie. Hi, Ballie. Why don't you give him a big hand? This is a feature of a new personal care, designed to make your life just a bit easier. Ballie, say hi to the audience. What you see here is just one example of Samsung's vision of a robot as a life companion. I think he likes me. Ballie recognizes you and stays with you. I love this guy. He even knows to give me a little space. Watch this. How about walking together? Let's go. Can you move a little faster? He still follows me, right? Good job. Good job. Ballie has to get going. But let's see what else he can do.
Hi, Bob. Power align with your elbows.
GEMS is essentially an integration of an exoskeleton with powerful software, all connected to Samsung AR glasses, a Galaxy smartphone and watch, and other devices. GEMS recognizes your personal fitness needs and optimizes the experience for you. It also provides an amazing immersive workout experience.
And choose where I want to work out today. Then I pick my fitness trainer. I really like working out with her.
Hi, welcome back. Are you ready to work out today?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's continue our reverse lunge knee-ups from yesterday.
Got it.
Let's repeat this 5 times. Stand up straight, hands to your side. Take a large step back with your left foot, bending both knees 90 degrees so your back knee hovers off the floor. Then, lift up your left foot, bringing your knees to the chest. Now release your left leg and place it back on the floor. Maintain your balance and be careful not to fall. Okay, let's start. 1. Stand on your spot. Good. 2. Keep your balance. And 5. Looking pretty good. How did it feel for you?
Good, but it was a bit more intense today. Was it different?
That's because I increased the intensity by 1 level today. I knew you could do a great job. Remember to maintain your correct posture. See you again.
Hi. It doesn't stop here. After one-on-one training with GEMS, I can get professional feedback through my mobile device. With my Galaxy connected to my GEMS, my workout results are aggregated and analyzed. It's telling me I need to lower my body closer to the ground for this workout. Since my daily walking balance is tilted to the left, I should keep that in mind.
That's great.
It really is. With GEMS and Samsung's AR glasses, it's easier to get fit. Any room can be a fitness studio. So I can work out whenever and wherever I want.
So today, at the start of a new decade, Samsung will do what it has always done. Dream big and defy barriers